We all appreciate great service. That's why we work so hard to give everyone the very best. And nothing is more rewarding than receiving a glowing review from someone we've made very happy with our service. Here's what they had to say. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to make you happy too. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.